the Indian, Jagannath is the Lord of the earth. Once a year when they celebrate his festival,
Hey travellers, welcome to this Puri Part 2 travel guide. In this part, we are going to uncover the hidden gems of the city which will make this spiritual journey completely unforgettable. So, buckle up and embark on this thrilling journey with us. Number 1. Sri Jagannath Temple. The first place you should explore is Sri Jagannath Temple, where different mythologies lie, where every corner tells a story and every stone is a piece of history, where protective mystical power destroys the dark clouds of miseries and difficulties of the devotees. Yes, this is Jagannath Temple, one of the most sacred Hindu pilgrim sites for centuries. The Jagannath Temple of Puri in Odisha is a well-known and renowned Hindu temple. Recognized as a sacred pilgrimage site in Hinduism, it is dedicated to Lord Jagannath, the Lord of the universe, who is believed to be an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. The temple also houses the deities of Lord Balbhadra and Goddess Subhadra, the siblings of Lord Jagannath. Built in the 12th century AD, the temple is truly a unique architectural marvel in its own right. One of its major attractions is the Grand Rath Yatra festival, held annually during the months of June and July, drawing millions of tourists and pilgrims from all over the country. Devotees are also offered the sacred Mahaprasad, which is believed to carry the blessings of Lord Jagannath, prepared in the temple's kitchen, which is considered to be the largest in the world. One visit to the temple is enough to feel the divine connection and the spirituality of this place. Not to miss, don't ignore the sacred Mahaprasad, prepared in the world's largest kitchen right within the temple complex to get the divine blessings of Lord Jagannath. If you want to witness a spiritual spectacle, then don't miss the evening aarti or the prayer ceremony at the Jagannath Temple. Do not miss out on the Grand Rath Yatra festival. Don't forget to witness the Neel Chakra, a blue wheel atop the temple, which is believed to have protective powers. Travel tips. The timings for darshan are from 5 am to 9 pm. Beware of fraud priests around the temple premises. Don't give any money to any unauthorized person in the name of prasad or any other thing. Number 2. Konark Sun Temple, the house of the sun god. Then move to another sacred place, the Konark Sun Temple. Do you know this temple holds a rare feature? Yes. About an hour away from Puri lies the Konark Sun Temple, which honors the sun god Surya. It was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984. Maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India, it was built in the 13th century and has a chariot-like design with intricate carvings and sculptures. It is believed that the structure of the temple is in alignment with the sun, so as to allow the first rays of the sun to pass through the entrance and reach the main idol. There is also a dedicated archaeological museum inside the temple complex with well-preserved artifacts. During the cultural event of the Konark Sun Festival, the temple turns into a stage allowing artists from different parts of the country to showcase their skills. A work of art and engineering brilliance, the temple serves as a link allowing its visitors to connect to ancient Indian history. Not to miss, if you travel during the months of December to February, you will get to witness the Konark Sun Festival. Travel tips. The ideal time to visit is during sunrise or sunset. The timings are from 6 am to 8 pm. Entry fees for the Indian citizens are Rs 40 per head and Rs 600 per head for foreign tourists. Entry is free for children up to 15 years of age. Number 3. Chilika Lake, the largest saltwater lake in Asia. Move to Chilika Lake, the largest saltwater lake in Asia. But why is this lake so famous? Let's see. Chilika Lake, located about 1 to 2 hours away from the city, is the largest saltwater lake in Asia. Dotted with several small islands, this pear-shaped coastal lagoon is well known for its rich biodiversity, which highlights its ecological importance. With islands such as Nalban Island and Kalichai Island, the lake transforms into a designated bird sanctuary, attracting several migratory birds including flamingos, pelicans and various species of ducks. It supports a rich variety of flora, which in turn proves beneficial in sustaining the extensive wildlife species. Visitors can enjoy recreational activities such as fishing and boating as well as bird watching to experience the scenic beauty of this picturesque site. Not to miss, get a chance to engage in bird watching if you decide to make your travel plans during winter. Visitors can get to see the endangered Irrawaddy dolphins in the waters of the lake. Take advantage of the boat riding experience. Travel tips. Try to visit this place early in the morning. Always arrange tickets beforehand. Number 4. Puri Beach. Now move to Puri Beach. Have you ever witnessed the sun rising from the ocean horizon? Yes, Puri has the capacity to introduce yourself with that natural beauty. Lying adjacent to the sacred Jagannath temple, Puri Beach promises to offer a peaceful escape to travelers with its sandy shores that stretch beautifully along the coastline. Pilgrims visiting the temple often come here to the beach to take a dip into the waters in order to spiritually purify themselves as a part of their religious journey. You will also get to experience a taste of the local life as it is a popular spot amongst natives. The beach offers a range of fun and engaging water activities such as swimming, jet skiing and boat rides. During various festivals and events, it becomes a cultural hub with traditional dance performances, music concerts and beach festivals. The lively atmosphere of this beach along with the spiritual and scenic beauty make it a must-visit destination. Not to miss. Don't miss the magical experience of witnessing the sunrise from the horizon. If you have never seen sand art, then you must explore the exquisite sand art on the beach. Don't forget to collect unique souvenirs as they are very hard to find except Puri. Travel tips. Always take the help of lifeguards while enjoying a sea bath. Visit during the early morning or evening hours to experience a beautiful sunrise or sunset. Maintain a safe distance from the shoreline since the tides can be strong. Number 5. Gundicha Temple. Let's move to the Gundicha Temple, where for 7 days the idols of Lord Jagannath, Balbhadra and Subhadra reside on a majestic raised platform. But why? Gundicha Temple in Puri is a religiously significant Hindu place of worship that lies at a distance of about 3 kilometers from the Jagannath Temple. It is dedicated to goddess Gundicha, Lord Jagannath's aunt. Known as the Garden House of Jagannath, the main temple building is surrounded by a beautiful garden on all sides. It holds immense significance for being the destination of the widely celebrated and auspicious Hindu festival of Rath Yatra. The idols of Lord Jagannath and his siblings are taken in chariots from the Jagannath Puri Mandir to the Gundicha Temple, where they are placed on a raised platform in the sanctum for public worship. This ritual lasts for a period of 7 days, after which the idols are returned back to the Jagannath Temple. Devotees seek the blessings of the deities during this time period. The temple remains vacant for the rest of the year. Not to miss. Don't miss the opportunity to witness the Sanctum Darshan, where the idols of Lord Jagannath, Balbhadra and Subhadra are kept during Rath Yatra. If you want to feel a spiritual aura, then you must visit here during the Rath Yatra. Travel tips. The times to visit are from 6 am to 9 pm. However, it remains closed for an hour from 3 pm to 4 pm daily. Always follow the norms and regulations of the temple. Number 6. Raghurajpur Artist Village. At number 6 comes the Raghurajpur Artist Village, where paintings come alive to tell mythological stories. Yes, but how is this possible? Is it for the premium art of the artist? Let's see. Designated as a heritage crafts village and widely acknowledged for its cultural contributions, Raghurajpur Artist Village is a must-visit destination for art enthusiasts. It is famous for the intricate Pattachitra paintings, which are a traditional style of painting on cloth, often depicting mythological themes, and Gotipua folk dance, the predecessor of the classical Odissi dance style. It is also the only place where the traditional decoration called pattas for Lord Jagannath's throne is made. The other art forms include palm leaf engravings, wood and stone carvings, papier mâche masks, coconut shell crafts, and applique work. Home to a community of highly skilled artisans with age-old artistic practices passed down through generations, this village is recognized for its contribution to the preservation and promotion of Odisha's cultural heritage. Visitors can purchase a variety of handicrafts as well as souvenirs, and even partake in lessons offered by the artisans for a separate fee. Not to miss. If you want to experience Odisha's culture, then don't miss the live Gotipua dance performance. Don't miss the area where the traditional decorations of Lord Jagannath's throne are crafted. Don't forget to pick a unique memento from the village's quaint shops filled with handicrafts and souvenirs. Travel tips. Make sure to carry cash as online transactions might not be supported. If you wish to purchase any artwork or souvenirs, buy directly from the artists or authorized shops so as to support them. Visit during early morning hours or during weekends to avoid crowds.